Hello and welcome to Everyday English for ESL, a course for elementary to intermediate learners of English. My name is Jeffrey Hill, and in this introductory video, I'm going to give you some suggestions on how to get the most out of the course. So let's get started. Each lesson is based around an everyday situation and comes with an animated video and a PDF. If possible, you should print out the PDF so that you can refer to it as you watch the video. The first section of the video presents two versions of a short dialogue. First, without speech bubbles.
Good morning, sir. Where are you flying to today?
And then with speech bubbles.
Good morning, sir. Where are you flying to today?
In Lesson 1, the situation is ordering food at a fast food restaurant. Watch the dialogue and try to understand as much as possible. The speech bubble version of the dialogue will help you if there is anything you didn't understand. In the PDF, you will find a transcript of the dialogue and a word list which you can consult after viewing. The PDF also contains a series of language notes which explain some of the key grammar and vocabulary points in the dialogue. It would be a good idea to study these before you go on to the next section. The next section of the video is Listen and Repeat. You will see each line of the dialogue in a speech bubble and hear the line spoken. After each line, there's a pause to give you time to repeat what was said. This is a good opportunity to improve your pronunciation and intonation by imitating the native speakers. After Listen and Repeat comes Listening Comprehension, in which you will hear a short text about the topic of the lesson. Listen and try to understand as much as possible.
Fast food restaurants are very popular with people who are in a hurry or who don't want to spend a lot of money.
The PDF contains a series of true-false questions which will test your understanding. When you have answered those, you should first check your answers in the answer key, and then look at the transcript, word list and language notes to study the language in more detail. You are now ready to move on to the final part of the video, questions, where you get the chance to speak. In this section, you will be asked a series of questions about the topic of the lesson. Try to give as much information as possible and don't just answer yes or no.
What is your favorite fast food restaurant and why?
To check what you have learned from the lesson, you will find two more language exercises in the PDF. In the first, you have to match the words with the pictures. And in the second, you must choose the correct words to complete the text of the listening comprehension passage. You can also do this activity online. At the end of the PDF, you will find a crossword and a word search puzzle, which will help you to revise the vocabulary you have seen in the lesson. Both of these can be completed online, which is a fun way of doing them. When you have finished all 10 lessons, you will be ready to do the final quiz, which covers the grammar and vocabulary you have seen in the course. I'm sure you will get a good score. That's it. I wish you good luck, and I hope you enjoy the course. And please don't hesitate to get in touch with me if you have any questions.